Morning po, Dr. Loreche, and thank you for joining us this morning. Maraming salamat po sa inyong oras. I'm sure maraming mga senior citizens na nanonood at nakikinig sa atin ngayon ang matutuwa dahil maraming mahalagang katanungan po kami tungkol sa Expanded Centenarians Act upang mas maunawaan ng mga senior citizens na katulad ko. By the way, I am a senior citizen last year when I turned 60, so I'm now 61, and I am looking forward to more senior years ahead. First question ko po sa inyo, Doctor. Ano po ba ang Expanded Centenarians Act at ano yung layunin nito?
Ito ay pinalawag na yung ating yung ating centenarian cash gift. No? Meron tayo kasi yung tinatawag na centenarians cash gift. At ito ay batas na, subalit nakita ng ating pamahalaan na dahil humahaba yung buhay ng ating mga nakatatanda, kailangan i-recognize yung kanilang longevity for all the contributions that they have given to this country. Kaya yan, pinalawig at ginawang expanded centenarians cash gift na naging batas at pinirmahan noong February 26, 2024. So, ang implementation po niyan ay March 17, 2024. And tayo po ay nagkaroon ng maiden na inauguration nito kasi nitong February 26, 2025, a year after it was signed, and then it became implemented on the same month, same date, a year after it was signed into law.